You've probably heard someone say it. Stop cracking your knuckles or you'll get arthritis. But is that actually true? Let's break down what science really says about knuckle cracking and joint health. First, why do knuckles crack? When you pull or bend your fingers to make that popping sound, you're stretching the joint capsule. This creates a quick drop in pressure inside the joint, causing gases like nitrogen and carbon dioxide dissolved in the joint fluid to form bubbles, which then collapse. That bubble burst makes the familiar pop sound. Now, does this damage your joints? No strong evidence links knuckle cracking to arthritis. Multiple studies, including one where a researcher cracked his own knuckles over 36,000 times, found no increase in arthritis in those who crack their knuckles versus those who don't. So why does the myth still exist? Because we often associate joint noises with injury or wear and tear. But not all joint sounds mean damage. However, while arthritis isn't a risk, there are some downsides to frequent knuckle cracking. Reduced grip. Strength. Some studies have shown people who crack their knuckles regularly may experience temporary swelling or reduced grip strength over time. Joint irritation, or soft tissue damage. Forceful or aggressive cracking can stretch ligaments or irritate soft tissues around the joint, leading to discomfort or minor instability. Annoying to others. Let's be honest, it's a habit that bugs a lot of people. So what should you do? If you enjoy cracking your knuckles and aren't experiencing pain, swelling, or stiffness, you're likely fine. But if it starts to hurt, or your joints feel weak or swollen, it might be time to ease up and give your hands a break. Bottom line? Cracking your knuckles won't give you arthritis, but moderation is always smart when it comes to your joints.